I created this package in Golang, right, which is called null-or-empty. So what it does is that, you can also call it nil or empty. So what it does is that it helps you check if a variable, right, is actually null or empty. So let's get right into using it. Package name. So okay. So you can run this on go run main.go, just basically like default test null or empty. So now let's define the struct. Value string, and then let's assume this value is a pointer to a string, right? Which means it is new, for instance. It can be new, or it can have a value. So let's say something like, yeah, comparing. So fmt.println, let's just say, or let's use the printf instead. Yeah, so you can try running this and see, okay, it's actually null. So the use case for that is that for this package I just created, which we can try to import here, right? Let me import it, null or empty. I can just call it NOE for short, right? I can just say something like if NOE dot is null dot empty, c dot value, right? If it's null dot empty, right? Sorry. Or let's say the normal use case you can do if okay, then you get something like this. So value is null or empty, value is not null or empty, something like that. So let's create and let's see what this is going to print out. Value is null or empty because it is actually new here. So let's try to, let's say, assign an empty string to this also, and then we can also check. So we can say something like value is equals to, or let's say an empty string for instance, and in here we come and say value. So here you can just get the actual, you can get the actual value and pass it to it. But I think I'll probably add support whereby you can also pass in a pointer to it. So here we should also get value is null or empty when we print it out, right? Yeah, value is null or empty. So let's say I have like a value here. Yeah, value is not null or empty. So this is like the I don't know what you call the overview of the entire stuff. So yeah, you can check out the project on GitHub, github.com slash my username slash null or empty. So I would still make updates to this package to support more data types. I don't think it does at the moment. And also you can pass in the pointer, so it sort of figures it out. So yeah, thank you very much.